Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a place on the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your screen and you'll see a building icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This icon represents all the places you've saved in your Life360 app, such as home, work, school, or any other locations you've added for tracking purposes. It's where all your custom locations are stored and managed. Once you tap the building icon, you'll be taken to your saved places list. Here, you'll see all the locations you've previously added to your account. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the specific place you want to remove. This could be an old address, a location you no longer visit, or simply a place you don't need to track anymore. When you locate the place you want to delete, look carefully beside its name. You'll notice a small X icon positioned next to it. This X is your delete button, and clicking it will initiate the removal process for that particular location. Go ahead and tap on the X icon. As soon as you do this, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Life360's way of making sure you really want to delete this place, preventing any accidental removals. The app wants to verify your decision before permanently removing the location from your saved places. In the confirmation message, you'll see a Yes option. Click on it to confirm that you want to proceed with deleting the place. Once you tap Yes, the location will be immediately removed from your saved places list, and you'll no longer see it among your tracked locations. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a place from your Life360 app, cleaning up your saved locations and keeping only the places that are currently relevant to you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.